Technology is a rapidly growing field that has been revolutionizing various aspects of our lives. From communication to transportation, education, and entertainment, technology has transformed the way we live and work. It has made our lives easier and more convenient in countless ways. In this article, we will explore various aspects of technology, including its history, evolution, and its impact on different industries. The history of technology dates back to the early days of human civilization. The earliest known tools were made by our prehistoric ancestors, who used stones and bones to create weapons and tools for hunting and gathering. With the advent of agriculture, people began to develop more advanced tools and techniques for farming. The invention of the wheel in Mesopotamia around 3500 BCE was a significant milestone in the history of technology. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, marked a turning point in the history of technology. It brought about significant changes in the way goods were produced and led to the development of new machinery and techniques. The steam engine, developed by James Watt, was one of the most important inventions of the Industrial Revolution. It revolutionized transportation and manufacturing, leading to the rise of factories and the growth of cities. The 20th century saw rapid advances in technology, including the development of computers, the internet, and mobile phones. These innovations have transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. Today, technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace. With new inventions and discoveries being made every day, the evolution of technology has been driven by the need to solve problems and improve our lives. From the earliest tools to the latest smartphones, technology has been developed to meet our needs and make our lives easier. The first computers were huge and expensive machines that were only used by large corporations and governments. Today, computers are small enough to fit in our pockets and are used by people all over the world. One of the most significant developments in the evolution of technology has been the Internet. The Internet has transformed the way we communicate and access information. It has made it possible for people to connect with each other across the globe and has created new opportunities for business and education. Another significant development in the evolution of technology is artificial intelligence. AI is the ability of machines to learn and perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, understanding language, and making decisions. AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Technology has had a significant impact on entertainment and transportation. In healthcare, technology has led to significant advances in medical treatment and diagnosis. Medical devices, such as pacemakers and insulin pumps, have made it possible for people to live longer and healthier lives. Medical imaging technology, such as X-rays and MRIs, has revolutionized the way doctors diagnose and treat diseases. In education, technology has created new opportunities for learning and collaboration. Online courses and distance learning programs have made it possible for people to learn from anywhere in the world. Collaborative learning tools, such as Google Docs and Microsoft Teams, have made it possible for students to work together on projects and assignments from anywhere. Technology has also had a significant impact on the entertainment industry. The rise of streaming services, such as Netflix and Hulu, has changed the way people consume movies and TV shows. Social media platforms, such as YouTube and TikTok, have created new opportunities for content creators and influencers to reach large audiences. In transportation, technology has led to significant advances in safety and efficiency. GPS navigation systems have made it easier for drivers to navigate unfamiliar roads, while self-driving cars have the potential to reduce traffic accidents and improve traffic flow.